Hello all, welcome to Build Habit session of day 16. Today's activity is you have to sing English songs. That is, you have to learn the lyrics of English songs and you have to sing accordingly. You can play the music and along with that you can sing, that's okay. And you can listen to your favorite English songs and try to imitate that or try to sing along with the song. We used to do it with the Malayalam film songs and all, right? So likewise you can choose one of your English songs and you can sing along with that song and see whether you are doing good also, and at the same time you can learn new words and the intonation, pitch, everything also you can learn from that. Okay, so that you can improve your pronunciation and also rhythm in speaking, everything can be improved by doing this task. Okay, so don't miss this, do this, and if you want you can really record a video or an audio while you sing. Here again on day 16th, I'm giving you a set of new words, and the first word is pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. And the meaning is to calm down and regain control of your emotions. To calm down and regain control of your emotions. That means if we are getting so anger or we are getting angry all of a sudden, we have to calm down by what? By like putting down our emotions or controlling our emotions. So that is what we call pull yourself together. We can see the examples. You need to pull yourself together before the presentations. You are right. I'll take a deep breath. See, if you are going to some presentations or something, you can like make yourself at peace, right? You can take a deep breath and you can feel the calmness that you experience inside you, and that is it. So that presentation will be very good. And the next example, after the bad news he took a moment to pull himself together. That's admirable. Like one of the news that came to a person is that it is bad in nature, so that person wanted really wanted some time to realize that moment, realize that incident, and he got very much angry or frustrated or something, like so much of excited, bad excitement that or nervousness, something like that, and he took some time to what put himself or pull himself together. It is, he took some time to calm down. That's what it is mentioned here. That is the meaning of pull yourself together. And now the next word is seem like. Seem like means to give the impression of something. Seems like, we'll tell no, this seems like that thing, and like that we'll tell no. So we'll see the examples. It seems like she's enjoying her new role. She does look happy. That is, one person is admitted into a new role in an office or in a official setting, and other people can see that she's enjoying, she's really enjoying that work, and that happiness can be seen in her face. That's what seems like. And now next example is, does it seem like the meeting run late? Like some people are attending some meeting, and the nature of the meeting or the flow of the meeting seems like it will take so much of time, because the person is telling, yes, we still have many topics to cover. That is, many topics are not yet covered, so it will take so much of time. That is the meaning of seem like. And now the next word is sound like. Seem like, sound like, all this comes in one category, and you can use it accordingly in your daily conversations. Sound like means to appear in a certain way based on what is heard. Sound like means this sounds like, that will tell no. We will tell like sounds like it is a bad news. That is, some hints are given and it sounds like it's a bad news. Let's see with examples. And the first example is, that plan sounds like a great idea. Let's start working on it. In a team, one of the team members asks that this is the next plan, or this is the next thing that we are going to implement, and these are the things that we are going to do. And the person is telling that, yeah, let's work on it. That seems a very great idea. That seems like, that looks like, or that will happen for sure as a good thing. And then our next example is, it sounds like she's upset about something. Maybe she should check in with her. Sorry, maybe we should check in with her. That is, one person, she is very jovial and very lively all the time, but all of a sudden her voice is very low. She seemed like what, very dull and all. So that other person, her friends or relatives are feeling that she seems like very upset. So we have to go and check what is her mental state or what is her state of mind. And now the next word is look like. Look like means what? That look appearance, right? That is appearance, and we can see the meaning. To appear in a certain way, that is appear in a certain way in a particular way. Examples are: you look like you need a coffee break. That's true. I could use some caffeine. There is one person is very much tired in her in his or her work and all, and the other person is telling, his friend or her friend is telling that it seems like you or you look like that you need a rest, okay, or a break, so you can go and have a coffee. And the next example is, it looks like it's going to rain soon. According to the climate and all those things, all the weather conditions, one person is telling that it looks like it will rain. Okay, it looks like it will rain, so that we can take an umbrella. The clouds are there, so it looks like it will rain, so that we can take an umbrella. That is the meaning of look like. Now the next word is smell like. That means to have a particular scent, some related to some sensation, some smell, okay, fragrance. So the examples are: it smells like someone is baking cookies. Some very nice smell is coming, and it feels like, or what feels like someone is baking cookies. Yeah, I hope they will share, or I hope they share. And the other person is telling that, yeah, we will also get, that person might come and give us. And now the next example is, this dish smells like it has too much garlic. Let me try it. It might taste fine. One person is telling while having food that, oh, this dish smells garlic. That is too much of garlic in this. That smell of garlic is dominating. So it smells like garlic is too much in this. So the person who is sitting with the person is telling that, yeah, let me try that. Yeah, that is. He also tells that it might taste fine, but it smells garlic. That is fine. The smell of garlic is conveyed through that usage. And now the next word is feels like. Feels like means that also sensation, and to give the impression of a particular sensation. Examples are: it feels like today is going to be a productive day. I hope so too. That means I like we will tell, no, yeah, today morning was very good, like it was a very pleasant morning, and I felt like this will turn out good. Same thing, right? Okay, some good things happened or positive things happened, or the flow was correct, so that the person is feeling that, or feels like, the person feels like that day is getting good. Okay, that is the meaning. And next example is, after that workout, it feels like my legs are on fire. Take a rest, you have earned it. One person is telling that after his workout, he is telling that, oh, my legs are what? My legs feels like my legs are like on the fire. That means it's very hot because of the tedious workout. So the other person, that might be the trainer is telling that you can take rest, and you have achieved it, you have done it. That is what the trainer or the person is telling. So that is the last word for this day. Here is the list of vocabulary that we learned in the sessions. So you can make sentences using each of the words, and you can record it as an audio also. Write the sentence first, then read the sentence as an audio and send it to your personal trainer and ask whether there are any corrections or not. Here are 6 words. With each of the words, you can make one by one sentences, and you can share it to your personal trainer, and make the sentences a bit good one, so that it feels good. So do that and make it fast. Welcome all. Calling activity for day 16 is here, and the topic for the day is a special celebration. And you can share your memorable celebration or festival you have experienced. That is, whenever you have experienced some celebration in your village or town or some places, some your ancestral home or anywhere, you can share that with your personal trainer at least for 5 minutes, and you can also describe what are the traditions and how you celebrated, with whom all you celebrated, how was the day, all those things you can share with your personal trainer.